Holy bruh. This one is huge. So we got a couple boxes to open up today on mail time. This one is freakishly heavy. And then yeah, obviously this is from Nike, the guys who want your boxes to get stolen. Probably more importantly than both of those things though, we will be talking about a sneaker trade that I did to get one of the shoes that I really wanted. I don't do sneaker trades often, so that was kind of new for me, but it was too good of a deal to pass up. So if you guys want to watch those unboxings and talk about that trade talk, stay tuned. That will be coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here with the homie Kuma today. Ohana gang, Kuma boy, Untied Ohana, what's up? Say what's up, Kuma. Alright, right on. This will be a riveting riveting time with Kuma today. He's chilling. Anyway, you guys ask about Kuma all the time, so I decided to bring him into this mail time episode. There's like fur everywhere though. But yeah, hit that like button if you guys want to see Kuma in more episodes. This guy's the man. We'll also be bringing on Delilah, the other pup, for more episodes too. Man, dude, you are shedding heavy. Okay, go back down. Go down. Go down. This is why I can't have nice hype clothes. There's fur everywhere, man. It doesn't work. Anyway, let's get into the mail time stuff. We got 2 boxes and a trade talk that I need to show you guys today. This box is interesting though because it is an Amazon box, which, I mean, who buys shoes from Amazon? Clearly not shoes though, you guys can tell right here. That's not shoes. What do we got in here though? Let's open it up. Woohoo, right on. And this is why it was so heavy. We copped the Ultimate Sneaker Book. Super random, right? I mean, why would I do an unboxing of a book on here? Ultimate Sneaker Book by Sneaker Freaker. Bold pages with a lot of like sneaker info about like just the history of sneakers and just what makes sneakers, you know, what makes it a culture. And I don't know, I don't really see this as just reading material, which for me it's gonna be really good. It's like studying a history book basically, but it's also good for like just background like stuff, you know, like I have a whole bunch of books over here. You guys can see over there, there's like Murakami Eagle, there's a Cause book, other sneaker kind of stuff, and it just looks great if you guys are like into that kind of stuff, you know, like into hype scene or just decorating your room and stuff. Really just nice, like, you know, coffee table kind of stuff. Gonna be diving into that real soon. But the next box that we have is actual shoes. I mean, you can tell, right? I mean, Nike's still doing this thing. They're still doing it. I don't know what they're doing, but they're doing it. Ooh, this will be an interesting one. This is a new kind of box to the channel. This is a Kobe box, guys. Look at that. Kobe. This is the Kobe 1 Protro 81 point game. So these are the shoes that Kobe, aka Black Mamba, wore on his epic 81 point game performance, man. Kuma, you wanna go outside? Come on up. Good boy. So Kuma, these are the shoes that Kobe wore on his 81 point game performance, which for most of you guys, that's considered our generation's greatest performance. You know, like 81 points is a lot. It's not the most all time. Wilt still scored that 100, you know, you've seen that iconic picture with like that 100 written in just, I don't know, pen and paper. But it was a different era of basketball, you know, that was like early going. It was like people didn't really understand the sport. Size was everything. You could just be tall and be good. No discrediting Wilt. Obviously the guy's a great legend. But Kobe's performance was just insane, man. Highly recommend you guys check out YouTube videos of that performance with just like all the shots. I'll link it in the description below just because it's epic and you guys need to watch it. But yeah, that was against the Raptors and it was a freaking wild game. And that performance will probably never be seen in the NBA for a really long time, man. 81 points is wild. It's ungodly, man. It's crazy. But I mean, that's why Kobe's Kobe, right? So very nice shoe, very good cop. Did you learn something, Kuma? He's down here, man. He's just cruising. That's fine. You can stay there because we will be talking about a sneaker trade that I did recently. Yeah, you guys saw it in the thumbnail. Nike SB box. And you guys know what these things are, man. Freaking fire. These are the Nike SB Panda Pigeons. And they are well worth it, man. Well worth it. Soles are really dope, very unique. And you guys see that pigeon design, which is from Jeff Staples. You guys know, iconic pigeon drop back in the day. Craziness, because that was like a riot happening outside of a store for a shoe, a freaking shoe. This one is like in a panda pigeon colorway. You guys can see right there on the insole too. It has like that green bamboo design. Also inside here, it says staple instead of sample, which is pretty cool. Green laces and stuff are supposed to represent bamboo. So it adds for like a good pop to the shoe. I don't know, I really like it. But the reason that I got these is because I missed out on like every single drop. Sneakers app was like a draw, so you know, you'll never win those because draws are like completely the worst kind of drop you can make on sneakers app. Anyway, the way I got these though is because I found somebody posting on a local Facebook group, which I mean, if you guys aren't involved in like sneaker groups and stuff, I highly recommend you guys go do that because it really is just about building community and you can get a lot of good deals and steals on there. For one, I saw this, it was a size 11, my size, and he was looking for a couple of options. He was looking for like an Air Max 1 Para, which I have, wasn't gonna give that up though. And he was also looking for a Jordan 1 gold toe. So Jordan 1 gold toes, I have a lot of those. And the reason why I have a lot is because I get them from hype boxes, or I used to get them in hype boxes. Now the value of those are kind of high up there. I think they're about 280. But the value of this is also about 270, 280. So for me, that wasn't a no-brainer. Like, I have a couple pairs over here on ice, just trade it straight up. And literally that post was up for like 2 minutes, and I like instantly messaged, and I met the guy like 10, 15 minutes later. I mean, it's Hawaii, dude. That's how easy sneaker trades are over here. I'm not sure where you guys are, but it was awesome. So I ended up getting that shoe. Very stoked on it, man. It's just so clean. It's so clean. The thing with sneaker trades is that if you're gonna get this shoe no matter what, try to do a trade for it. Think of it this way, like if you sold the gold toe on StockX, you know, to make money in order to buy this panda pigeon that you really want, for one, they're gonna take 10%. So if the asking prices for gold toes in that size were about 280, minus 10%, you're making about like 250-ish. I don't know, quick math. 250, that's not enough to buy the panda pigeon, because for us, the panda pigeon is about 280 plus $25 shipping, so 305. Yes, shipping from StockX is insane to Hawaii. Please change that, guys, if you guys are watching from StockX. We don't want that crazy $25 shipping. Anyway, 305, and you made 250 off that sale. So that's like a $55 difference that you need to make up in order to buy these. But because I straight traded for them, I actually saved money. So it was not only a good trade, but it was a like profitable and wise trade. That's the kind of stuff that you need to look for, and that's why it's important to be part of like Facebook groups and stuff, because I wouldn't have had the opportunity if I didn't see that, you know? So it can work out sometimes. Main thing is to be safe though. Always do your legit checks. Always make sure that the person you're dealing with is like reputable. You don't want to just jump into a sneaker trade, meeting up in a dark alley, and you know, getting a fake pair, or just something bad could happen. So be safe with that, but at the same time, it is a good opportunity. But you need to just be wary of that if you guys are gonna do it. But for this one, it was a perfect scenario. So I was like, okay, I know what he wants. I know what I want from him. And it was straight done deal in like 10, 15 minutes. It was amazing. I don't know. I thought it was a good deal. Speaking of sneaker trades though, if you guys have done one in the past, go down to the comments below and let me know what your best sneaker trade ever was. I always love hearing these stories just because some people get really good come ups, and it's like incredible that people can come up on stuff like this. So hit those comments up below. Again, if you guys want to see more of this boy who is sleeping for a little bit, be sure to hit that like button. And if you guys want to be part of that Untied Ohana, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well. Thank you guys for watching this episode of Mail Time, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. We will see you. Aloha. I'm trying to like do that shaka thing that I do with Kuma. Shoots.